We have a Roomba vacuum cleaner that lives right here beside the door. It's mostly self-sufficient. It will start at 8 o'clock in the morning, run for a couple hours, and then redock itself and recharge. It very rarely gets stuck. However, every couple days, it does need a slight cleaning. Every couple days, Roomba will need a little cleaning. You pull the little wheel out, or get the dust and hair from around the wheel so it spins nice and easy. You clean the little filter here. So you see it gets hair in it. We look to see if there's any hair caught around here. Then flip Roomba over, push this little button, and the dust collector will come out. And sometimes there's still dust left in here. You can kind of pull that out. And most importantly, there's a little filter right here, which you squeeze here and it pops right out. And you can see it collects quite a bit of dust. Just bang that on the inside of the bin. And reassemble.